this site here. And there's a lot going on here, so I want to show you some tips and how to make this work. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to edit your word list. And now here I've got a whole bunch of words that describe me, from the sentences that I wrote and the character or the personality traits and all of that. To add another word, you simply hit add. And then you're going to give it an importance from on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, some of these I have at a 12 because they are even more important than a 10. But we are going to put in a new word, and let's see. I'm going to put this as a 7, and I'm going to call it nature. Naturalist. And it does not spell check, so if you need to spell check that, you'll have to use a different site to do that. Okay, so here's all of my words, and then I apply. Now, I only have a few words, so it doesn't fill in my entire shape. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to select a shape. So from shapes, you're going to scroll here and find a shape that really speaks to your likes, your interests, your hobbies, or who you are as a person. So I did a apple, symbolized teacher, because that's a big part of who I am. Once you've done that, you'll see that it still doesn't really fill it very well. So you're going to want to click Auto Fit, Repeat Words, and then this slider right here is how much it's going to fill that space. So I like to slide it way over here. It's going to take a second to render that. So see how by allowing it to repeat the words, it really fills it up. So this one doesn't really matter as much. It does make some of the bigger words even bigger. All right, the next thing, you're going to keep moving down here, is the fonts. Right now it's only using 3 types of font. I would like for it to use some other types of font. There's lots of fonts to choose from. I want to see what kind of handwriting only. So I'm going to unselect all of these and have only the handwriting ones. I love permanent marker, so I'm going to have that one. And hit apply. Close out of that. And then I'm not going to worry about direction or warps, but I am going to go to theme, where I can change the different colors that I'm using. I can change them at random. I can change how many different kinds of colors there are. I could pick out from these, so I can randomly choose a theme from any of these, or I can pick one out from this. I like this one. I'm going to pick out this one and apply. And you'll see it changes the colors here. In this same screen, we have the background. You want to make sure that the background is transparent, okay? Because we are cutting these out anyway, we don't want to waste a lot of ink. So please make sure that this is transparent. The shape color, right now I have it as a kind of a transparent or gray. You can change that to a, so that it's not transparent. Let's see. So to make sure that it's not transparent, you hit click here. If you want it transparent, then again, click here. And that's how you make sure you see how it is. Transparent. I don't want it completely transparent. I want just a little bit here. And then again, click this little button right here and hit apply. Once I've got the colors all the way I want them, it's time to save. So now I'm going to go to File, Save Image As, and this is important. It needs to be a PNG, and we need it to be your name. Okay, so my name is Mrs. Kuhn, so I'm saving it as Mrs. Kuhn, and hit Save. Then you're going to go and turn it in at your learning management system. And that's how, and then you'll see how it looks here. I'll open this up so you can see how it looks.